Hello students, welcome back to Rosy Science class. Today we shall be solving previous year question paper, and that is series CABD 5/5. This is for class 10th science set 1 and the QB code is 31/5/1. This is the third paper that we are solving. Previously we have done two more papers and we have done the MCQs of those papers. So now let's get started with this one. The first question is, to balance the following chemical equation, the values of the coefficients x, y and z must be respectively x, z and NO32. This is a symbol of heat, gives y, z, NO plus z, NO2 plus O2. We need to choose the correct option. Now if you observe carefully, we have zinc here and here, and nowhere else we have zinc. That means x must be equal to y. So now this one, see 4, 2, this cannot be a solution. 4, 4, this could be a solution. 2, 2, this could be a solution. 2, 4, 2, this also cannot be a solution. Now we'll check with 4, 4, 2 first. If I take x as 4, y as 4, 4, 2. Now let's see, 4 atoms of zinc, 4 atoms of zinc. Oxygen, we have 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 oxygen. Here we will have 4, 2 2s are 4 and 2. So that is 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is 10. So this is not the correct solution. We need to try the last one, the last option that we are left with. Let's erase this first. So this is the option left and we will check if this is correct. 2, 2, 4. Now 2 atoms of zinc, 2 atoms of zinc. Nitrogen, we have 2 into 2, 4. And here we have 4N. So 4 nitrogen atoms. Oxygen, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 on this side, and here 2, 4 2s are 8 and 2 here. So that makes it again 12, 12, 12. So this is the correct option. Option C. Question number 2. Which of the following is a redox reaction but not a combination reaction? It should not be a combination reaction. Now see here, for the combination reaction there should be only one single product. One single product. New product is formed, so just one single product. Here we see C plus O2 single product. 2Mg plus O2 single product. So these are all combination reactions. This also H2 plus O2 H2O single product. So these are all combination reactions. So what is left? This one, and this is a redox reaction because it says which of the following is a redox reaction. Fe2O3 losing oxygen and CO is gaining oxygen. So this is a redox reaction. Option D. The salt present in tooth enamel is calcium phosphate. Option A is correct. An aqueous solution of sodium chloride is prepared in distilled water. The pH of this solution is 7. It is neutral because if you take a strong base added to strong acid, base plus acid gives salt plus water, which is NaCl plus water, right? And this is neutral. This is neutral. Okay. So pH is 7. Option C. A metal X is used in thermite process. When X is heated with oxygen, it gives an oxide Y, which is amphoteric in nature. X and Y respectively are. In NCERT textbook, we just have two amphoteric elements given. One is aluminium and the other one is zinc. So the correct option here is aluminium. And the reaction is 4Al plus 3O2 gives aluminium oxide which is amphoteric in nature. Option B is correct. The process in which transport of soluble products of photosynthesis takes place in plants is known as translocation. Option D is correct. Now here are the page numbers where you can find more information about this in NCERT textbook. The correct sequence of events when someone's hand touches a hot object unconsciously, the correct option is option C. Receptors in skin, sensory neuron, relay neuron, motor neuron, effector muscle in arm. And this is given as a diagram in NCERT textbook where an arm is given like this and then you have the spinal cord, right? And then it is all labeled. So these are all labeled there. You can just check the NCERT textbook once. Correct option C. Sense organ in which olfactory receptors are present is nose. Option A is correct. The incorrect statement about placenta is it is a disc embedded in the uterine wall. Correct. Information is on page number 124. It contains villi on the embryos side of the tissue. Correct. It has a very small surface area for glucose and oxygen to pass from mother to the embryo. This is incorrect. It has a very large surface and they want the incorrect statement. They want the incorrect statement. Have option C. And let's read the option D. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood through it. This is correct. 10th one. Select from the following the conditions responsible for the rapid spread of bread mold on a slice of bread. Formation of large number of spores. Correct. Presence of moisture and nutrients in bread. That is also correct. Low temperature. False. Presence of hyphae. That is also false. So option A is correct, which is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. How will the image formed by a convex lens be affected if the upper half of the lens is wrapped with a black paper? And this is an NCERT question. The correct answer for this is the brightness of the image will reduce. The brightness of the image will reduce. Option C. 12th. The phenomena of light involved in the formation of rainbow are refraction. So here 1, 2, 3, all three has refraction, then dispersion and then internal reflection. So B is the correct option. Option B. In my previous video I have put a tick on the total internal reflection. Please make the correction. It is not total internal reflection because that is what is not given in the NCERT textbook. The NCERT textbook has internal reflection. So the correct option would be refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. The same question is also given in NCERT exemplar. The color of light for which the refractive index of glass is minimum is red color. If it is maximum written in place of minimum, then it will be violet. This is given as minimum. It is red. The correct option is A. The current carrying device which produces a magnetic field similar to that of a bar magnet is a solenoid. Correct option C. A solenoid. Question number 15. A uniform magnetic field exists in the plane of paper as shown in the diagram. The diagram you can see the uniform magnetic field and that is moving to the east. These are the lines showing the magnetic field. In this field, an electron and a positron enter as shown. The electron and positron experience forces. Here we need to find out the magnetic force. So if you see here, this is the electron and it is moving towards the south. The proton or the positron, it moves towards the north. And this side to the east we have the magnetic field. We need to find out the force. For this we are going to use Fleming's left hand rule. Try finding this answer using your left hand. So on your left hand, this thumb, it represents the force. This finger, the forefinger, represents the magnetic field and this finger represents your current. Okay, so we can say F force, B for magnetic field and I for current. FBI. Now these should be perpendicular to each other. So place it like this. This is how it should be. Okay, perpendicular to each other. This is perpendicular to this and this is perpendicular to this. Now see here, the magnetic field is in this direction. That means magnetic field has to be in this direction, and the current, electron is flowing in this direction, which means the current flows in the opposite direction, in the direction of the proton or the positron. So current is in this direction, magnetic field in this direction. The current is flowing in this direction. Current in this direction, okay, try doing like this, current, and the magnetic field in this direction. So what do you see? Current here, magnetic field here. If you see, my thumb is facing downwards. It is pointing downwards, which means the force is into the plane of the paper. Try doing this yourself, you will find out. This is your current and this is your magnetic field in this direction. And my thumb is pointing into the paper, into the plane of the paper. So the correct option is both pointing into the plane of the paper. Option A. I hope you understood this. Next one. Which one of the following is not a natural ecosystem? Pond ecosystem, pond is natural. Forest, forest is also natural. Grassland, that is also natural. Cropland ecosystem is a man-made ecosystem which is used to grow crops. So this is the correct option. It is not a natural ecosystem. Option D. Then we have assertion and reason based questions. 17th one. Some vegetable oils are healthy. That is true. For example, olive oil is healthy. Vegetable oils generally have long unsaturated carbon chains. This is also true. And this is the correct reason for the assertion. So that will be option A. Option A. Sex of the children will be determined by what they inherit from their mother. False. Women have XX sex chromosomes. True. This is false. This is true. That means this is option D. Option D. Electrons move from lower potential to higher potential in a conductor. True. A dry cell maintains electric potential difference across the ends of a conductor. This is also true. However, this is not the correct explanation for the assertion. So option B. Ozone layer protects the surface of the earth from harmful UV radiations. True. Chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for depletion of ozone layer. That is also true. However, this is not the correct explanation for the assertion. So this is option B. Now here we complete all our MCQs. I will show you the rest of the paper. Section B, 21 AB, 22, 23. It also has internal choice. 24, 25, 26. Section C, question number 27, 28, 29, 30, 31A, it has 3 subdivisions, or B, 32AB, 33, differentiate between food chain and food web. Section D, 34A, or B. Question number 35A, or B. 36A, or B. Then we have section E. Question number 37, B, C, D. This is all question number 37. Or is given internal choice. Question number 38. Question number 39, that's the last question. A, B and C has internal choice. Well, that's it for now. See you all in the next video.